Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, yesterday this Chat GPT link was not working. If you are able to see here in the top of the video, here it was the same message that was we were getting yesterday, and it was saying us you will get a message notification in the email, and the same side at the right side of this window, if you will see. So I am just trying to check the email if they have sent to us or not. So the thing is they have not sent us any email, but right now today this link is working fine. So guys, it seems yesterday this was there was a server side error, and they were just displaying the message server is busy, and you are not only person who is trying to log in there, n number of people are doing login there, so that's why it was showing like the server busy. So right now today might be the server is working fine, running fine. So if you will see, I have clicked on the login option, so we are able to log in there. So I'm just putting my email id and just putting my password here. So let's see it is working or not. Yes, so today the chat option is working fine. So where we can where we can do the chatting with the chatbot, right? Chat GPT. So it is something like problem, we have to log in again here. First time it is not taking us to the home page, but right now it will take us to the home page. So let's click on the continue, and if you will see, yes, we have jumped to the home page now. So this is the Chat GPT UI. So where we are getting example, capability, limitation, the same way the video I have created initially. So the same thing. So right now what we will do, we will just play a game. So we are just writing here Chat GPT is at capacity right now. So like if they are sending us any response or not, but no, they are saying I'm sorry, I'm actually a virtual all AI assistant and don't have a capacity limit. Is there something else? So they are not sending us a response about that. Why they were showing this message earlier to all the user. So we will check, like again we will check here, was Chat GPT down yesterday? Actually guys, I'm just trying to find out like why it was down yesterday. So right now I have put it here, like was Chat GPT down yesterday. So as an AI language model, I don't have the ability to down like a website or might. So right now, so this is an incorrect response sent by the Chat GPT, right? So like it seems they are like it is, this is thinking like we are trying to down the website, but it is not, just we are trying to search like why it was down yesterday. So Chat GPT not working. So I'm sorry to hear that you are having a trouble with Chat GPT. So they are saying just connect with the support team, right? So they are not displaying any message related to issue like why it was down yesterday. So the thing is, okay, so we will put one message again here. How many registration happened till now for Chat GPT? Let's see if they have information there. So might be it is this is not the sending us the correct information, because this chat GPT is having the data till 2021 year, right? So that's why. So again I will put one message, like if like yesterday it was down, so today if it is up, so it is working fine or not. Do you know about YouTube channel make your life easy technically? Actually this is my YouTube channel name. So let's see if this will reply correct or not. Okay, it is taking time, might be it will show something. So right now again it is sending us the response as an AI language model. I don't have direct knowledge of individual YouTube channel unless I have been specially trained on information about them. Okay, so this is a simple, like simply they are saying us like this Chat GPT is not trained on a individual YouTube channel, like unless this is a very simple message, right? So if you have any specific question about technology or life hack, I would happy to help you with that best of my ability. So this is again like he just this Chat GPT chatbot is just ignoring this message because this does not have this information. Okay, when we have asked this question, who is Kapil Sharma, so he is like the Chat GPT is responding very well. So guys, everything is working fine. So whatever the question we are asking to the Chat GPT, so it is responding well. So as we all know that Chat GPT is having data till 2021, right? So I'm just putting the coacher info tag. So this is my previous company where I had worked here. So the information is correct, whatever that tool chatbot is responding us. So I'm just putting my name right now. So if this chatbot knows or not, no. So I'm sorry, I don't have a specific information about this one because it is not a public figure. So guys, the thing is today this Chat GPT URL is working fine. We are able to log in there. We are able to sign up here. So just use this Chat GPT tool and take the benefit as maximum. So guys, I will request you to all share this video in all social media platform so that everyone can take the benefit, how we can do the login, we can do the sign up, and what are the benefit, how we can use it. So because we have a one playlist created here, so go to the playlist and watch all the videos एंड टेक द बेनिफिट. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, चैनल को शेयर कर देना और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना ताकि आपको आने वाली इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो इन फ्यूचर मिलती रहे. थैंक्स.